Question number 15. If A is given, find A inverse and solve the system of equation. Given A is equal to 2 minus 3, 5 and 3, 2 minus 4, 1, 1 minus 2. We find the determinant of A. A determinant is equal to 2, first row, first column, 2, 1 minus 4 minus 2. And second time that will be positive 3, and first row, second column, 3, 1 minus 4 minus 2. Plus 5, first row, third column, 3, 2, 1, 1. Determinant of A is equal to 2, 2 2s are minus 4 plus 4 plus 3, 3 2s are minus 6 plus 4 plus 5, 3 1s are 3 and minus 2. Determinant of A is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3 into minus 2, minus 6 plus 4, that is equal to minus 2, and 5 into 1, 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Then we get determinant of A is equal to 0, minus 3 2s are 6 plus 5 1s are 5. We get determinant of A is equal to minus 1. So A inverse exists. And cofactor of C11, C12, C13. C11 is 0, C12 is equal to positive 2 and C13 is equal to 1. 0, positive 2 and 1. 1 plus 2 is 3, so minus multiply by minus, that will be positive 2. And C21, C22, C23. C21, 3 2s are 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5 is equal to 1, but minus multiply by 1, that is minus 1. And C22, 2 2s are minus 4 minus 5. Minus 4 minus 5 is equal to minus 9. And C23, 1 2s are 2 plus 3, that is equal to 5. And 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So this number will be minus 5. And C31, C32, C33. 4 3s are 12 minus 10, that is equal to 2. 12 minus 10 is equal to 2. So this is 2. And C32, 4 2s are 8 minus 8, 3 5s are 15 minus 15. Minus 15 minus 8, that is equal to minus 23. And that will be positive 23. 3 plus 2 is 5. Minus 23 multiplied by negative, that will be positive 23. And C3, 3, 2 2s are 4 plus 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. C33 is equal to 13. Adjoint A is equal to 0 to 1 minus 1 minus 9 minus 5 2 23 and 13. and A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. We get determinant of A is equal to -1. This implies A inverse can be written as 1 upon -1, 0 minus 1, 2, 2 minus 9, 23, 1 minus 5 and 13. Then 0 multiplied by minus is 0. Y minus 1 multiplied by -1, that is +1. So we get A inverse is equal to 0, 1, -2 and -2, +9, -23, -1, +5, -13. We get A inverse. Find A inverse. A inverse equal to 0, 1, -2, -2, 9, -23, -1, 5 and -30. And solve the system of equations by matrix method. Ax is equal to b. This implies x is equal to A inverse of b. And b is equal to 11 minus 5 and -3 in column. B is equal to 11 minus 5 and -3. X is equal to x, y and z. This implies x, y, z is equal to A inverse is, that is 0, 1, -2, -2, 9, -23 and -1, 5, -13. It's A inverse. And B is 11 minus 5 -3. This implies x, y, z is equal to first row multiplied by first column. We get the value of x. 0 multiplied by 11, that is 0, and 1 multiplied by 5, that is 0 minus 5 plus 3 2 are 6, and -2 multiplied by 11, -22, 9 5 are 45, -45 plus 69, 23 3 are +69, -1 multiplied by 11, that is -11, 5 multiplied by 5, that is -5 5 are 25, 13 multiplied by 3 is equal to 39. This implies x, y, z is equal to 6 minus 5 is 1, and 45 minus 45 minus 22, that is -67, 69 minus 67, we get 2. -25 minus 11 is equal to -36. 39 minus 36, we get 3. X is equal to 1. Y is equal to 2. And Z is equal to 3. Answer. We have given A 2 minus 3 5, 3 2 minus 4, 1 1 minus 2. That is element of x is 2, y is -3, z is 5, x is 2, x is 3, y is 2 and z is -4, x is 1, y is 1, z is -2. And A determinant is equal to 2, first row first column, 2 minus 4, 1 minus 2, minus minus plus 3, and first row second column, 3 1 minus 4 minus 2 plus 5 first row third column neglect, and we are taking 3 2 1 1 and 2 2s are minus 4 plus 4 that is 0, 3 2s are minus 6 plus 4 that is minus 2, 6 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3 minus 2 that is 1, and 0 multiplied by 2 is 0, 2 3s are 6 but minus 6, 2 is negative, 5 1s are 5. We get determinant of A is equal to -1 and A inverse exists, and we find the cofactor C11 first row first column neglect, and we get 0, C12 we get minus minus plus 2, and C13 we get 1, and C21 2 1, 3 2s are positive 6 minus 5 that is 1, but 2 plus 1 is 3 negative, sign multiply by 1 that will be -1, and C22 is -9, C23 is -5. Similarly, C31, C32, C33 is equal to 2, 23 and 13. Adjoint A is 0 2 1 -1 -9 -5 and 2 23 and 13. A inverse is equal to adjoint A upon determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to -1 minus multiply by adjoint, we get A inverse. -1 upon 1 upon -1 can be write it as -1 upon 1, and -1 multiplied by 0 that will be 0, minus minus plus 1 minus 2, and -2 minus minus plus 9 minus multiply by 23 that is -23, and minus into 1 that is -1, minus minus plus 5 minus 13. It's A inverse. We find the value of A inverse and solve the system of equations. So we find Ax equal to B and x equal to A inverse B. We find the value of x, y and z. X equal to A inverse B, and value of B is 11 minus 5 minus 3. So capital X equal to XYZ, and XYZ is equal to A inverse. We get 0 1 minus 2 9 minus 23, and -1 5 minus 13, and B is 11 minus 5 minus 3. First row multiply by first column, we get the value of X, and 0 multiplied by 11 is 0, 1 multiplied by -5 that is -5, and 2 multiplied by -3 is equal to +6. 6 minus 5 that is equal to 1. Its value of x, we get the value of x is 1. Similarly, -2 multiplied by 11 that is -22, and 9 multiplied by -5 that is -45, 23 multiplied by 3 minus is plus, that is equal to 69, and 45 plus 22 that is equal to 67, -67, and 69 minus 67 we get the value of y that is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2, and -1 multiplied by 11 is -11, 5 multiplied by -5 is -25, 13 3s are 39 positive, and 25 plus 11 is 36, 39 minus 36 equal to 3. Its value of z. So x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2, z is equal to 3. Answer. Thank you so much.